Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix unexpected error on Instagram comments. If you are using Instagram and you are having the issue that you are showing unexpected error into your Instagram comments and you are not able to load comments, let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So the very first thing is that you have to make sure that you are connected to internet where your Wi-Fi or cellular, or you have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings, and once you have done, you have to try to refresh your page. So let's see how can you refresh your page. For example, I'm going to read the comments of this post, and here you will get the post and you will get the all comments. So you have to try to refresh the post. So you have to scroll down to refresh. And once you have refreshed, you have to try again to load your comments. Or if you're still having the same issue, you have to make sure that your Instagram app is up to date. Open App Store, and here you have to go for search and search for Instagram. And you have to make sure that you haven't any software or app update available for Instagram. Or if you have any update here, try to update your app. Once you have updated, you have to retry to load comments. Or if you're still having the same issues, open up your settings, go for general, go for iPhone storage, go for Instagram, try to offload your app. So sometimes it might be that you have any bug into your Instagram app. So in this step, all the bugs will be fixed. Try to offload your app. Once you have uploaded, have a reinstall app, and your app will be completely reinstalled on your phone. So in this way, all the bugs and errors will be fixed, and after that, you can easily able to load comments. In this way, you can easily fix unexpected error on Instagram comments. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.